had a lot of people tell us that they like our channel because we're honest and we don't just try to show the glamorous side of sailing. This is our maiden voyage. Well, maiden voyage. We just are in the water for the first time in 5.5 months, and we're sweaty and we're gross and we're hot and we're tired. And this is the reality of Splash Day. So we just wanted to share that. We left, where were we? Clark's Court. We were in Clark's Court, hauled out for 5.5 months. And now we're back on the water, heading over to Port Louis Marina for a few days. How do you feel about all this?
Feel good.
It does feel good.
Yeah, we took the head sail out. That's working well, but we're like 12 knots of true wind right from 180 degrees, so we can't use it.
We're gonna floor it because the sun's going down.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye.
We're coming into Port Louis Marina, and 45 minutes after we left the dock, our starboard engine crapped out on us again. We thought there was an airplane behind us, but there wasn't. It was just our engine making all kinds of horrible sounds, and then a big plume of smoke, and we shut it off. So luckily, the marina gave us a super yacht dock. No power because we're 110, those docks are 240. But you know, at least we don't have to try to med more. It's funny, the last time we came in here, we also had one engine. Same problem. Well, we don't know if it's the same problem. It turns out that our engine was in trouble. We'll go more into that later, but the marina wanted us to move to a Medmore slip since they were expecting a mega yacht and needed the space. They were wonderful. They put 2 guys on the boat with us, 2 more on the dock, and 1 in a dinghy to help turn us around. This would have been a disaster without them, and without the help of Seascape. Thanks, Shane and Tanya, once again. That's John down in there.
Screws.
Okay.
And this is,
This is
it's
John's
not
in
bad.
there,
It's,
John.
I mean, it's because the engine does have condensation in here. You know what I mean when it's
Say
running.
hello.
So,
Oh, she's saying. Oh,
hi.
Okay, now we can talk.
Okay, so down here, Adrian, is your crankshaft. Okay.
Yeah, I can't see that.
This
from
is
here,
the
but
bottom part of the engine that your pistons that go up and down are attached to. So that shaft converts this up-down motion into round and round motion.
Okay.
And for the engine, an engine is much like a human being. It wants to breathe. If it needs to take in air, it compresses that air, it gets fuel added to it, it explodes, pushes it back down again, the piston.
Right.
Comes up, it expels the burnt air, and the process starts again.
Right.
Sucks it in, squeezes it, pushes it out.
Suck, squeeze, boom, bang.
Suck, squeeze, boom, bang, exactly. So from the crankshaft is driven a shaft called a camshaft. The camshaft is connected to the top here. This is called your rocker shaft.
Right.
Via push rods, these rods here.
Yep.
Right.
The rods sit down in the engine and they activate the valves, which means the intake valve will open as the piston comes down so it can suck the air in. Then the valve will close. Both valves will stay closed as it comes up for the squeeze. Bang, down, exhaust valve opens for the exhaust gas to go home.
Okay.
So those valves, here's one, they're all here. So each cylinder has 2 valves. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, you've got 4 cylinders.
Right.
But look how all of these valves have their top on. Okay. This valve's top is gone.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Okay, and the valve is down there. It's dropped into the engine.
Oh my god.
Okay. Did the spring break? Yeah, fuck, you broke a valve spring. That's interesting.
Wow.
That's in there. You broke
Yeah.
the valve spring. The valve spring broke. And that's what caused it to drop. The valve
Wow.
spring broke, and that's what caused it to drop.
Broken valve spring.
But where's the top now of it?
So the top of the valve is gone?
Where's
visit.
Of course, the parts were not available on the island, and since I had to make another trip home to be with my mom, I went ahead and brought them back with me in my suitcase. This engine issue delayed us a few weeks. While we were waiting for it to get fixed, we decided to rent a car and drive to see one of Jeff's favorite things in the world, waterfalls. What are we doing today?
We're going to waterfalls.
Oh yeah, we rented a car, so we get to drive here in Grenada. It's a little scary, I think. The people drive kind of fast, and the roads are really narrow. They don't have curbs, so you just like fall off into it.
And we're going to see waterfalls today.
What else are we going to see?
Waterfalls.
How are you doing?
I'm concentrating.
I know, I can tell. You're doing a good job, honey.
Thanks.
Help me, Lord, I'm feeling low. Help me now, help me, Lord. Help me, Lord, I'm feeling low. I'm feeling low, I'm feeling low. Help me, Lord, I'm feeling low. I'm feeling low, I'm feeling low. Help me, Lord, I'm feeling low.
So I was a bit sketchy backing up, but we did it. Going to the waterfall now.
Pleasure. My name is Ricky, and we are the members of the Honor Hill Jumpers Association. Okay.
We just paid a guy from the Grenada Jumpers Association $20 US to jump into the waterfall.
Help me, Lord, I'm feeling low. I'm feeling low, I'm feeling low. Help me, Lord, I'm feeling low. I'm feeling low, I'm feeling low.
That was a well-spent $20?
Yeah, absolutely. Well spent. You know, it's a bit of a conundrum. They have all these native Grenadians out here selling their wares. People are making jewelry and they're cutting down coconuts, and everybody wants to sell you something, and you want to support the local economy because everybody here, not everybody, but a lot of people here are so poor, but you just can't buy everything. And I feel bad when they want you to buy their stuff because you know that's how they're earning their living, but how many necklaces made out of nutmeg and cloves can you buy?
Help me, I pray. Help me, Lord, I'm feeling low.
We took a fabulous hike through the jungle to get to the Seven Sisters Waterfalls. Our guide was Charan. He's all about clean living and healthy eating, and he loves his island. It was a pleasure getting to know him. Oh, we can swim over there. Where do you want to swim?
Go over there.
Okay. This is the Seven Sisters Waterfall. There's this one here, there's another one down there, and there's 5 more way up there, but I'm not going to hike up there, and it's really cold. trail here. That's beautiful. Hi, babe. We are hiking to Lake Quaqua.
It's not Lake Quaqua.
Oh.
Mountain Quaqua.
We're hiking to Mount Quaqua.
Quaqua.
Quaqua. Q-U-A. Q-U-A.
Yeah. Quaqua.
It should be an hour and a half. What did you say? It's 2.7 miles.
Yeah, round trip.
Here we go.
Sometime I wonder just why
Mount Quaqua Trail is quite muddy.
I win a battle,
With shrubs.
but I
Shrubberies.
always lose the war. I just keep right on stumbling.
Oh wow.
And there's no man laying out there, but I know, yes,
We're up there.
I know
We are. I think we're going up there, right?
there must be a better world
Yeah, we're going up there.
We started at sea level.
We did not even close start to sea
Oh
level.
yeah, that's right.
We were even close at sea level.
Yeah, you're right. Sounds good.
Adrian's in there somewhere.
Some joker clips my wings just because
Walking up to the top of Mount Quaqua, and it's getting steep
gets a kick out of
and- and muddy, slippery.
I keep falling in space,
It's Brandy Tongue Lake.
or just hanging in midair. But I know, yes I know, there must be a better world somewhere.
Coming down Mount Quaqua, Brandy Tongue Lake. Junior, what's the name of your place?
Grenada.Thank.
Yeah.
Mini restaurant and bar.
Okay, and this is Junior's
This is
place.
Junior's place.
And we just had the most amazing, oh, I should have showed it. The most amazing
Yeah,
chicken.
we were starving.
We were starving.
Because we just hiked for 2.5 miles.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you. And yeah, Junior watched our car for us also.
Yep.
Thank you, brother.
Our good friends Lenny and Randy from SV Happy Together hosted a big party on St. Barts. We weren't missing that for anything. We won't show you much of it because we hope you'll visit their YouTube channel, Sailing SV Happy Together, and see when they post it. But here's a glimpse.
We've been up since 3 o'clock this morning. We are taking a flight, or flights, multiple flights, to get to St. Barts for the big party, which we'll talk about. Oh, we're boarding. We'll talk more about it. Now we're on the plane, and we're going to a little 3-day party in St. Barts. Just a little party for 3 days. So it should be a really exciting trip. We thank Randy and Lenny for inviting us, and hope it should be a great party, and we'll talk about that later, but it was a challenge to get here. It was a big challenge to get here. There.
We're not there yet.
From Grenada to St. Barts is not easy, believe it or not. So we'll show a map of what we did to get here.
Flying from Grenada to St. Barts is not easy. We had tickets on Antilles Air until they went out of business, keeping all of our money and leaving us with no flights. We ended up flying from Grenada to Trinidad and changing planes for the flight to St. Martin, where we had to spend 3 nights at a hotel because not all flights go every day. Then we took a ferry to St. Barts for the party. We're leaving St. Martin. We're going to St. Barts for the weekend for our friend's party. Very excited.
The final leg on our crazy journey from Grenada to St. Barts for Randy and Lenny's 3-day birthday party. Happy together. Woo! Woo!
Our ferry arrived at the dock in Gustavia, and look who moored on the wall right next door. Happy together. She is a new Kinetic 54. Mazel tov, guys.
Okay, we actually made it to...
We did. St. Barts, baby. The first of 4 parties was a welcome dinner at a beautiful restaurant overlooking Gustavia Harbor. The next day we were off to Nikki Beach Club for lunch, table dancing, and more champagne. We'd heard this place was incredible, but we've never been there, and you couldn't ask for a better first experience. They even pour the wine like nobody else. We're on Scooby 2. It's our party boat for the day. Run! And there's beautiful St. Barts. God, I love it here.
What is the best thing ever happened to me?
Say that one more time.
I said it was the best thing that ever happened to me because I got you.
She looks so good, she got everything that I need. Well, her daddy's got some money, her sister's got some money, her brother's got some money too. Oh, my baby, I might have to marry you.
That night, Randy played guitar and sang with the hoarsest of voices for the crowd. It was a farewell dinner, the final night of the party, and an epic party it was. Thanks for watching.